Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change default browser on Mac. So actually it is very easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So in order, if you want to change your default browser on Mac, you will need to have some different browser installed on your MacBook. So first of all, open the browser that you have on your Mac and download a different browser. So for example, it can be Google Chrome. So simply type Chrome and download it from the first link. I already downloaded this browser just for the example. And now if I want to change the default browser from Safari to Chrome or any other browser that you downloaded, you need to go to the system settings right here, find the settings on your Mac, and now scroll down just a little bit until you will find desktop and dock. Just simply click here and you will have a bunch of options. Scroll them down until you'll find default web browser. Now it is set to Safari as a default, so we need to just click here and expand this list, and here you will see all the browsers that you installed on your MacBook. So in my case, I have only one browser here, Google Chrome. It is only one browser that I installed, so I just simply click on the Google Chrome here, and now every single document or application that requires the browser will be automatically opened in this Google Chrome browser. So basically that is it. That is how you can change default browser on Mac. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.